Our company handles everything from 1 piece a year to 6 million pieces a year. We can handle it from cradle to grave, from your prototypings, short run production, all the way into the high volume production, and we do it very well. We're a TS certified company, ISO as well. It gives us a little bit more of an edge that way to make sure our quality is constantly there. I'm Jeff Deck with Larsen Manufacturing, and we handle all kinds of stampings of all sizes. We have a partner in Dongguan, China, so we handle the Asian market as well as all of North America. We actually automate a lot of our stampings, do it in die, so we remove the secondary operations, which also improves the quality, lowers the cost of the product. We also do a lot of engineering and design work with our customers to help them design for manufacturing. This is actually kind of a simple bracket. It's a 90-degree piece of aluminum, 2 PEM studs in it. Then we also have a tin-plated part so that it can be welded or soldered to a board that's all done in die. So these are cross-fed in, stamped, and then located, and then swedged into location so they don't move or turn or anything that way. And then the PEMs are put in at the very end as well. So it comes out as a complete assembly off of the tool. We do a lot of different types of shielding and things that way. This particular customer had an EMI leakage issue. So we actually put a piece of copper in the inside of this. This is another one that's actually cross-fed, so the tin-plated material comes through in one direction, the copper comes through in another direction, comes off the die as a complete assembly, removing all the secondary operations and the cost of those secondary operations. We save the customer money through our engineering capabilities, and also helps with our competitiveness with offshoring and things that way. So we see a lot of products being reshored because of our ingenuity. We're not afraid to chime in on their design and help improve it. And in fact, we actually believe and practice ESI and DFM. We actually hold seminars at a lot of our customers, whether it's through WebEx or personally going in and working with their engineering team to design the product. This is a back plate that's actually used for a set-top box. The overlay always has been put on as a secondary operation. It's very costly to do, time-consuming. We've actually developed a way that we're actually putting this on the raw materials and locating it on the raw materials, so it actually comes in and off a coil. The overlay is fed into the proper position, and then it gets punched and formed and comes off of the die as a completed product ready to go onto the set-top box. They actually cut their costs by around 30%. Many times we actually work with our customers and help them with the engineering of the materials as well. We use quiet steel or sound deadening materials, anti-fingerprint materials. Basically, if it's not titanium, we pretty much will deal with it. Here we have a product that we came back to the customer with a solution on raw materials. This is what they call sound deadening material. So it's almost like a wood sound. It cuts the noise out. This is actually for a truck engine to keep the noise quieter in the cab. So it's a very touchy material to deal with. You really need to know your stuff as far as your tool and die experience and knowledge in order to make this work. And we've been very successful with using this material. We'll work with customers and we get some drawings that are actually on a napkin, and they still do have those. And we'll help them develop a product, design it, engineer it, and get it into production. We look forward to servicing you. Send us a quote.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.